Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this logo needing a little help. It's got some jagged edges, it's got some discolorations, it's got some gray backgrounds, and when it traced really well, and I've already helped them get rid of the gray background, but this is I guess you'd call it a geometric bird with sharp corners and flat edges. And some of the squares are not. So this is a pretty good example. So this sort of site decided to make a video. So it is traced and converted to a bitmap and broken apart. And I'm going to grab my shape tool, and you see what the problem is. There's no node on this given corner, and it doesn't really matter where we put it. We're going to add a node. So I'll left click. There's nodes everywhere else. I'm going to select them all. I'm going to right click, convert them to a line. Now I'm going to take away the nodes in the middle of the line. Now it did offset this, and this doesn't look like it did it to a line. So we'll make that a line. Everything's pretty good except for this. So we need to bring this node up to there. There are several ways you could do it. One of them would be to put a line there, get a node, and have your nudge factor low, and evidently I don't. I've got it high. Let's point it 0.001. Grab our shape tool and nudge it up. But that's a little bit time consuming and not so maybe perfect. So you need to align the nodes. Now I've done a video on this, and I want both my nodes to be on this line. So I'm going to select that node first. I'm going to hold down the shift key. I'm going to select that one. So it's going to align it to the last one selected. So hold that one. Click that one, hold down your shift key, go to align, and align horizontally only. Bam. Rest of them look pretty good, but this one's a little bit off. And we want to bring this one over to here. So we're going to select it last. Hold down the shift key, align. This time we're going to align horizontally. Whoop, vertically, sorry. Align, well, I need to make sure let's just do it vertically. And it worked. So there you have straightened boxes. And, just take a couple of minutes. So in something that didn't trace well, just select both those and convert them to a line. So we have the same problem, but we'll go and do all these to a line. Matter of fact, it'd be easier to do the whole subject to a line. And we probably need to bring this one down to this one. So we'll select it, hold down the shift key, select that one, go up to a line, and align them horizontally. Bam. Same thing here. These aren't a line. They're a curve. And just go through there and do that. And it's not that much time. And you'll kind of enjoy it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.